They mean that I don't have to ask for help. It means that I can maintain my independence and just continue to live my life as much as possible like everybody else.
Accessible products mean just being able to use them more easily, being able to open something more easily without needing to like open it with my teeth, or without just getting so frustrated you just like throw it out.
Makes it so much more independent. Now I know I'm going to rely on my wife most times, but it means that I don't have to yell out to her to come and open something for me, or wake her up out of bed to do something for me. So it just gives me back some of my independence, and you know, I've lost a lot of that, but it does give that back to me, be able to do that myself. And you know, it just gives you a bit of confidence yourself that, you know, you can do things.
Don't think about it, don't have to think about it at all. So accessible products would be something that is just, it's not going to ruin your day. It's something that you can easily open, close, grab, hold as well. So you don't think about it then, because it is easier.